Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. I just want to show you guys real quick a few things. So, I love Temu. I don't know what the tariffs and all that shit's going to be doing to it, but you can get a lot of good stuff. Now, I've probably shown you these before, not my Trixie Mattel, but I saved that, you know, and a receipt. And I save these for a lot of things I'll talk about in another video. However, here we go. But you see, I got all these stickers. Okay, these are from Temu. Right? This is from Temu. I know I had shown you guys when I opened it, the whole package of the stuff that I got, but I was taking these out and I figured, boy, if I could get that sticker off, I would, but we're going to throw it away. So I thought, oh, let me show you guys. These are papers. You're going to have to glue them down. However, they are like newspaper feeling. So they're not like a thick cardboard or anything like that. Look at that. You get all these, you know, and this is just great for collage for whatever. I mean, look. Right? So I'm going to put those there. And then it also gives you, what goes there? Some bigger papers, which I love. Right? Just fun to collage. And I'll use these on my thing that I'm doing, my canvas that I'm doing. Now these obviously are like shiny cardboard. I don't know if I'll use them, but I don't throw away because I just don't. These are from Temu as well. I like these. These add texture. And you can use them as a stencil. So it really doesn't matter the color that you get. I'm just taking it all out. Oh, but this cardboard's nice. That's a nice piece of cardboard to use like as a name. Yep. Throw her away. That. These are very light, very papery because they're paper. But you can see, let me just get one. Like they have these different, so like say I'm like, ugh, I hate that color. I can just put it here. Alright. I can just put it here. I can take my color, my spray, give it a spray. You know, even just to soak it up. Will it soak it up? Who knows? Ba-bow. And then look, you got a little stencil. And you peel it off of here, and you got a pea green color. So, I mean, you can't, you know, you can't be mad because that's fantastic. Alright, so then you get these. All Temu. I believe I got them for maybe $1.50, if that. You know they have those great deals. And then I got this, which is cute. Oh, come on now. I hate when I cannot open it. There we go. Okay. Dogs are going to come running thinking it's a treat. It's not. And it comes in a box. So, you know, there's many things I can use as a stencil. It just is something different, right? So, I'm not going to do anything with that right now. But, these are stickers. So this is all stickers in here. Does it say how many stickers? Maybe I missed that. No, it doesn't say how many stickers. Forest Adventure. I don't know, but they got some really cute things on there. So anyway, so here's wine and mushrooms and, I mean, my gosh. My goodness gracious. What the heck? It's a lot of things. I mean, look. Butterfly. And look how pretty that is. Just so delicate. So you get like all these different Little hedgehog. Who doesn't like a hedgehog? Flowers. See, these are right up my alley because they're small. And I can use them in my mixed media just to add a little bit of something, something. So, I mean, you can see all the different, I mean, I'm not going to sit here, it'll take me hours. But you can see there's a lot of different ones in here. And this one has birds and, you know, so all the things. You'll see them as I use them, I'm sure. So I'm just going to put the lid on that. Look how, I mean, that's wonderful. These are from the Dollar Tree. You can get rub-ons. Just going to keep it at that. They have stickers. They have, oh, what do I do with my other things? Here. Well, I'm going to show you. Okay. So, you have rub-ons, you have stickers, all the things. Then, I go and buy, which I have to go back and get more, but like it was Halloween, and you know, I love all the Halloween things anyway. And this is black cat purring, chill, wind stirring, like those are all words I'll use. And I mean, look at the picture. Like, you could just cut that out. And you got a cute little picture. And then you open it, and you have 2 more pictures and more words. And I love the font that it's in. So, I mean, come on. It's awesome. It's my favorite things in the world are Halloween things. But here's just a little teeny weeny Halloweeny high. I mean, you cut it out. Wicked. Great word. And then look, this is, it's not, maybe a little bit you could see that's glittery. Have an enchanted night. You have all these great things. Glowing good wishes, happy Halloween, little star. I mean, you know, you can sit while you're watching the TV and cut them out. Happy Halloween. You know, and look, I mean, am I right? Look at that. Okay. And then look how cute. I love it. Oh, it says, thinking of you on Halloween is all the treat I need. Maybe I'll sign that deed and send it to myself. Okay. These envelopes that come with it. These are usable. When you're making a journal, right? Which I'm going to be making some, I love making my own journals out of magazines and all the things. But you can use this, glue it in underneath, keep that unglued. You put your little extra little sugar things in there, and look, I mean, I got all these extra envelopes that came with the cards. So you cannot go wrong at the Dollar Tree. And I'm sure there's much more. I'm sure there's much more there that you could buy to use. So, you know, don't discount your dollar store as you are restarting your mixed media like I am, or just starting. The things that you can, and this is dry already, and now it's a different color. How fun. So, you know, you can really do and get a lot there if you think outside the box. And they change every season, the cards and all that, and I'm sure they have all the seasons there at once, but I got those like around Halloween. That's when I was going to do the video for you, but I didn't. So I did it today. So yeah, so as I find more things, I will definitely keep showing you. But Temu is don't sleep on Temu. And then don't forget, I got these little tags, and now I got these little things I can use in my journal, in my art journal, in a journal I'm making, whatever. Slip them in and out, do the things. Oh, the fun. It's been really fun playing again. So, alright. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.